today's digital world, cybersecurity has become a critical concern for individuals and organizations alike. With the ever-increasing risk of cyber attacks, the demand for skilled professionals in the field of cybersecurity is at an all-time high. That's why pursuing a B.Sc in cybersecurity at Chandigarh Group of Colleges, Jhanjeri, which is North India's fastest growing educational institute, can give you the skills and knowledge necessary to make a difference in the fight against cybercrime. Our program is designed to give you hands-on experience with the latest cybersecurity tools and technologies. Some of the advantages of choosing CGC Jhanjeri for your B.Sc in cybersecurity program include opportunities to secure a job with well-known and respected recruiters, 800 plus companies for placement, 8,500 plus placement offers, 45.5 LPA highest package, 1 lakh per month highest stipend, financial assistance to students through CGC Josh scholarship program worth rupees 10 crore, supportive communities consisting of faculty members, CCPD trainers, students, and alumni to help you with any challenges you may face. Innumerable MOUs signed with prominent companies and organizations. International connections with leading educational institutions. 45 plus global tie-ups. 15 plus countries. 5 continents. 70 plus programs. Upon graduation, you'll be well prepared to enter the job market as a cybersecurity professional with opportunities in a variety of industries, including finance, healthcare, and government. So, if you're looking to make a difference in the fight against cybercrime, consider pursuing B.Sc in cybersecurity at CGC Jhanjeri. Your future in this exciting and rapidly growing field starts here.